Hello everyone, welcome to my channel OET Writing Sample for Nurses by AJ, and now we are going to speak about this case note. The patient's name is Mavis Brampton. Before we go ahead, please remember, if you like this audio, click on the like button, leave comments for me if you have any doubts, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications on any new videos. So we'll go ahead with this case note that you see. Let's go to the last paragraph, which is writing task. There you will see write a letter of referral. So it's a referral letter to Brunswick Family Care Clinic, 44 Decal Street, Brunswick, BIC 3056. What is the letter for? To request monitoring and ongoing care to be arranged for Mrs. Brampton. So that's our patient. Community nurse to make sure Mrs. Brampton continues her cessation of smoking with the help of nicotine patches and Zyban. Zyban tablets to cease as soon as side effects occur, if any. Both Zyban and nicotine to cease as soon as craving for cigarettes has stopped. So that is the reason why we are writing the letter. Let's go to the starting and see what are the remaining things. So the patient has been in your care and is now going home from the Northern Community Hospital, Moorland 3051. So patient is going home, and that's the name of my hospital, that's Northern Community Hospital. Our patient is who? Mavis Brampton. She is 72 years old. She was admitted on 11th of January 2011 and she is going to be discharged on the 15th of January 2011. She was diagnosed of pleurisy after she came to the hospital. Mrs. Brampton has been widowed 25 years, has been an active member of the community all her life, is a current resident of Probus in an area. She and her husband ran the Sydney Road News Agency until his death, at which time she retired, attends the local community center 3 times a week to play bingo. All this is unimportant. She has been a smoker all her life since 18 years of age, or since age 18. Current smoking 10 a day. This is important and needs to be included. Current note. So you see 10 Jan, 12 Jan, 13 Jan. Let's see what all has happened on these days. So 10 Jan 2011. So that is the day on which she was admitted. She is overweight, BMI 29, had chest x-ray, IV amoxicillin with supplementary oxygen was given. She was advised to give up smoking. Why? Because she was smoking 10 cigarettes a day. Her BP was 170 by 90, pulse 92, slightly raised temperature 39 degrees, breathless. So the reason why she was admitted was mainly because she had a little high temperature or a slight fever and she was breathless. 12th of January, she was on low dairy diet, advised about nicotine patches. She was advised of this on 12th. She had productive cough, sputum culture was done, and these medicines were prescribed. On the 13th of Jan, so deep breathing exercises started, escaping to a non-smoking regime using nicotine patches and Zyban 150 mg BID. To be discharged 15 January 2011. So this means that you're going to write the letter on the 13th of January. Now let us see what comes in the discharge plan. Support Mrs. Brampton, needs monitoring for medication compliance. Yes, this is an important point. Needs help with nutritious meals, meals on wheels and housekeeping. Home council help, assistance with shopping. So looks like, yes, she is alone, because there we saw that her her husband was dead or has expired or has passed away. Monitor her quit smoking plans. This is the most important reason for which you're writing. Watch for side effects from Zyban, such as dry mouth and difficulty in sleeping. If side effects occur, Zyban should be stopped. Zyban to be withdrawn after 2 months. So there are two conditions for Zyban. One is that it needs to be stopped if any side effects occur or after 2 months. Nicotine patches to continue until smoking addiction is under control. So nicotine has a slightly different criteria. Now there are still some more things which we saw here. Community nurse to make sure. So this point is important for the community nurse, that the patient should continue her cessation of smoking with the help of these two medicines. Zyban tablets to cease as soon as side effects occur, if any. So the side effect is for both the medicines, but Zyban strictly needs to be withdrawn after 2 months, whether the cessation of smoking is achieved or not. Okay, let's look at the letter, how the letter looks like. Alright, let's look at it. This is how it starts. The address here, just like how you see in the letter, in the case notes. Here it is. Yes. Then 13th of January. So like I said, you're writing on the 13th of January, not on the 15th of January, because of this. You know your patient is this, she's aged 72, dear nurse. So it has to be dear nurse or dear community nurse. Now I'm writing in regards to Mrs. Brampton, who was admitted to hospital on this date. If you remember, the date that we discussed was on the 10th of January, and she was admitted due to this. She needs your ongoing care and monitoring after her discharge or after discharge on 15th of January 2011. Mrs. Brampton, now here, what happened in the hospital? Mrs. Brampton was diagnosed with pleurisy. She was administered oxygen, IV amoxicillin after taking her X-ray. She was advised to quit smoking, as she has been smoking since the age of 18. So that is how we have combined those 2 points. She was advised to quit smoking as she has been smoking since the age of 18. Sputum culture was done, and she was suffering from productive cough, and pravastatin 20 mg and celecoxib 100 mg daily were prescribed. Now this does not mean that pravastatin celecoxib was necessarily given due to productive cough. Could be some other issue, but then we have mentioned both the things in the same sentence. Deep breathing exercises along with the usage of nicotine patches. So let's find that point for you. Deep breathing. Yes. When did it start? 13th of January. So deep breathing exercises along with usage of nicotine patches and Zyban 150 twice have been commenced today. Now this paragraph is everything for the community nurse. Mrs. Brampton was please monitor her medication adherence and side effects of Zyban. So what are we saying here? We are asking the community nurse to monitor her medication compliance, side effects, and we are telling her what the side effects are. So let us look at that. Monitor this, yes, and side effects, watch out for that. If side effects occur, then it should be stopped, or after 2 months. Let's look at how it is mentioned. So side effects mentioned here are dry mouth and difficulty sleeping. Zyban needs to be stopped at 2 months, or if any side effects occur. Kindly ensure that she continues with nicotine patches till smoking addiction is overcome. So she needs to continue the nicotine patches till smoking addiction is overcome. I would appreciate if you could provide her with shopping assistance by contacting Council Home Health. So the community nurse may contact this place and arrange her shopping assistance. Additionally, she could contact Meals on Wheels to provide her with nutritious meals. The Meals on Wheels will provide the patient with nutritious meals, but the community nurse needs to contact them as she lives alone. So we are giving the reason that she is living alone. That's why this needs to be done. And that's the end of this letter. Let's just quickly see how many words it was. It was 181 words. So that is how this letter looks like. Yes. So if you have any questions, please leave it on comments. Please press on the like button and do subscribe to get notifications on new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.